What's going on today, YouTube? Back with another one, BWI2ATXF, the channel, and today we're just gonna do a brief unboxing, a little bit of a review, installation on this LTE module. This is the CM100G. I'm not sure the difference between G and the 9G, but this is newer, so I went with this. It's been a long time coming. I've been building this whole dash cam kit out. And it's time for this connectivity. So nice packaging here, 1-year warranty. We're just gonna open this up. I'll cover my IMEI number. Already cut this open. So on this side, some activation guide, the manual, and this is the module. It's connected to the USB, micro USB port on the dash cam. It's going to run over to the right side passenger windshield at the top for connectivity. This is where your SIM's going to go into. Pretty small footprint, maybe about 3 inches or so, more or less. So it shouldn't be a distraction at all. I got the stickies here. Probably won't need this because it's going to go behind the headliner. Additional adhesive, SIM removal tool, and a mini screwdriver to get the door open. All right, finally got the screw out. This doesn't slide out, it pops up. So you can wedge that in to pop this up. And then you have the SIM tray here. And we're just gonna pop this out, put the SIM card in. The carrier that I went with already got T-Mobile. I just got the 2 GB plan. That was $10 a month. That should give me enough information. Thing about T-Mobile, it's not a hard shutdown. It's just throttled. So say if I was to blow through my monthly quota, that's fine. I'll still get low speeds and should be able to get push notifications. So I actually just got the T-Mobile SIM card yesterday, and it came so fast from Black Box My Car. I highly recommend them. Never had a bad experience, and they definitely help me out with technical information as well. So if you're looking for this, go ahead and reach out to them. Cop. I'm too keen on having them mounted up here. I mean, the wire is long enough that you have some flexibility. I read online some people put it behind a dashboard. I just didn't want cellular to be affected. I mean, it might not, but it might. So this length of the cord is pretty long, and definitely long enough to make it to the back. And where's it at? I already threw it back here. So I'm already back here, and I still have a lot of slack. So refer to part 2 for the installation. For a technique on how I'm running this. Already covered that. It's just reinventing the wheel or not reinventing the wheel. Just watch that content for the routing. So like I said, just go ahead and watch my previous video, part 2 of the installation. I got it running up through this conduit, through the headliner, behind the airbag, make sure it's proper function. And I got it going up the panel right here. I just really didn't like putting it in that upper right corner, especially when I ain't had to. So hop in the back. 6'4" dude hopping in the back. Hold on. Got it routed up here on the headliner. Pop this back and read it through the C panel here. And just started routing it here. You can see the setup here, right in the corner, out of line of sight. And it's just stuck up there with that double-sided foam tape. And this is how it looks in the back. Really incognito, you gotta look for it. But I'd rather have it right there than in the front. So that's all it is to it, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video. You got some benefit of it. Like I said in the video, be sure to watch Dashcam Series 1 for the background on this setup. Part 2 for the installation for the RCF. That does translate over to a few more platforms. It's just a good foundation for any car. So you can view push notifications if someone hits your car. There we go. If someone hits your car, you'll get a push notification to your phone, as long as you got LTE coverage, right? You can go ahead and remotely go into live view as well. Be careful of that, because you can burn through your data plan depending on what your data plan is. But hope you enjoyed this. It has been another episode of BWI to ATXF, the channel, and speak with y'all real soon. Y'all take care.